Join Mom and me as we plant these beautiful herbs and flowers.
On Mother's Day,
We planted Jupiter's beard in the garden bed with the lettuce. Mom made holes the exact size of the root balls. This beautiful perennial attracts butterflies and hummingbirds. I planted cilantro in the bed with tomatoes.
the tomato plant will provide shade for it because that's why I've had trouble with cilantro. It does not like the heat.
The cilantro repels pests. The roots have 3 times more flavor than the leaves, and studies show it's nature's detoxifier. Visit my free Beacons Grow Guide for complete herb and plant care instructions, recipes, and growing tips from seed to harvest. We added gravel at the bottom of the lavender for drainage. Goodwin Creek Lavender. Crush a few leaves between your fingers for instant stress relief. Make incredible shortbread cookies by adding 1 teaspoon of flowers to your favorite recipe.
Oh, snickerdoodle.
And I almost forgot to leave the crown slightly exposed. And put a light layer of gravel on the top.
Go ahead, Mom.
This is the Holy Basil, ancient medicinal properties. You can make tea out of it. It's a little bitter.
Just 1 cup of tea significantly reduces stress hormones. Add fresh leaves to your lemonade for an incredible summer drink that boosts your immune system.
Eucalyptus naturally only grows in 2 places, Australia, that the little koala bears eat, and in California. I lived in Santa Cruz. The seeds from the plant I would make into a dog collar. It keeps the fleas away.
Baby blue eucalyptus. Drop fresh stems in your shower for a spa-like experience. Don't forget your light top dressing of mulch, keeping it away from the stems to prevent rot. Tricolor sage, a stunning ornamental that flavors holiday stuffing and homemade sausage. Rub leaves on your teeth for natural whitening. We organize the herbs by their needs. Lavender up top for more sun and less water, while moisture-loving herbs stay together below.
As the birds chirp and the rooster crows,